Hello and welcome to Vidcom. With this video, we will know how to onboard the retailer with non-Aadhaar KYC mode. Go to the Play Store and type Vidcom. Download the application on your mobile. This is available for all the Android users on Play Store. After the form has been introduced by the distributor, open the application and click to New User. Enter the 10-digit registered mobile number. Click to Verify Number. Upload a clear and original picture of your PAN card. Enter EPIC number under Voter ID. Enter your state and please click a clear and original picture of your voter ID card, front side and back side. The voter ID details has been successfully added. Enter your personal details like your name, father's name, alternate number and email ID. Select your educational qualifications, category and network provider. Select your occupation type and the entity and click to Next button. As address proof, enter your complete residential address along with the landmark. Enter the name of your firm and the duration in the business. Please make sure to write the correct firm name. If your shop address is same as residential address, tick mark to same as residential details and proceed further. Select your account type as savings or current. Under Select Bank from the drop-down menu, select the bank, or you can search in the search bar. Enter your correct account number. Confirm your account number. Your IFSC code will be fetched automatically. Click on to the Next button. In case your bank verification fails, please upload updated picture of your passbook. or a cancelled check reflecting your name and bank account details like account number and IFSC code. Click on to upload passbook and proceed further. Your bank details has been successfully added, and proceed for final verification. This is the video verification. Tick mark to all the terms and conditions and proceed further. In case your microphone and camera is blocked, click on to the allow button, or you can change these settings from Google settings. For video verification, read out the given OTP below. Make sure you are in the correct and proper lighting. Your verification is now in process. If you have uploaded and submitted original documents, your retailer ID will be created shortly. Thank you for watching this video.